Hey YouTube, working on a new process 271F, converting the main shaft and synchronized gear out of a new process 273F. It's in a 2002 Super Duty. The reason being, burned out one range hub and range hub fork due to the main shaft not having the drillings for oiling. As you can see here, this is the range hub fork, casting number. This is an older style fork with a 3-piece slider on it. As you can see, this one is destroyed due to the range hub not getting oil. So it burns out all that, starts to eat, wears through your sliders, and then starts to eat on your fork. This is the old style shaft. Now this old style shaft has no drilling. It has a drilling here for oil, but it does not have a drilling through here to lube your range hub. So all it is splash lubricated, and it doesn't last very long. So I bought another transfer case, low miles, out of 2006. It's a new process 273F. So this one has the synchronized set in it. So the mode ring is quite a lot bigger than the manual shift, but it does fit in the case, in the 271 case. And basically the only difference is now you're going to have a synchronized set, so you can cruise down the highway, you can slam it into 4 high. Now this is the main difference here with the 273 updated main shaft. This one here, this drilling here, that feeds your range hub. So your new style range hub is a little different. It also has a drilling on the slider part. So when this is obviously all going around and around, you're getting lubricated ATF from your pump. Now the pump on these 273s and 271Fs sits in the tail housing. Very, very simple pump. Gerotor style pump. Nothing really to go wrong with these as long as you haven't had a whole bunch of shit go through them. So if anyone's wondering if you can take a 273F main shaft, mode ring, synchronized gear, and swap it over to 271F, yes, you can. It will fit. However, you're going to need to order the updated range fork. I got this from, where are these guys from? NAPC out of Edmonton. Anyhow, the older style range hub is obviously has no drillings in it. This is the older one here. Okay, and this one here, the inside diameter of this slider portion is larger on the new style, so you can't use your old range hub. And when you got the 273F, it will come with this fork. This is for the electric motor. This will not work. It doesn't have a nub here to sit into your selector. It's different on the other case. Other than that, all the chain, the gears, the planetary, you're gonna have to swap out the planetary as well, or sorry, the input shaft on a newer, like a 6-liter diesel. It's a 34 spline input off of the transmission, which would be a 5R110. Very simple to get this out as well. You have to split the case and take it all apart, but one main snap ring here, pull that snap ring and your input shaft comes out. You can inspect your planetary set. This is it installed into the 271 case. Now if you're having troubles getting it out, you're gonna have to pop this input seal out and there's a snap ring in behind there. Then your whole planetary set will fall out, which will leave you with this here. And then this snap ring comes out, and you can pull this planetary, or this input shaft out. Alright, so the reason I made this video is because I could not find anything on the internet that would support me doing this swap. I even called a few shops and they said they haven't done it either. So there you go. Hopefully this will help someone out, as it was kind of discovery for me. So yeah, take care guys, see you later.